What do you want? You want fudge?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Where is it all? It's in the penguin box?
Yeah. Send the penguin back.
It's in the penguin box? You've been pestering Mommy about the penguin box?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. I'll let you try a piece. Carmie made this. It's called fudge, yeah.
Fudge?
Yeah, you can try it.
Okay.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Fudge.
Say thank you, Carmie. Say
Thank you.
thank you, Carmie.
Thank you, Carmie.
Okay, go ahead, try it. Try it.
Mmm.
Hey, where are you going? Is it good?
Mmm.
Wait, hold on.
What?
I just want to see you eat it.
I like it.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you like Daddy's drawer that he made? It's a nightstand. Some college girls threw it away, so I made a nightstand out of it.
Okay.
You like it? Yeah, this used to be a computer desk, I guess.